Most people get this wrong. They assume all startup legal services are the same. But the surprising truth is that Clerky is specifically designed for early-stage startups to handle legal paperwork efficiently and correctly. Clerky helps founders incorporate their business, issue stock, create founder agreements, and manage other legal documents with minimal hassle. You won't believe what happens next. It even integrates directly with law firms if you need additional review, which reduces the risk of errors in critical legal documents. The platform guides you step by step. You answer a series of questions about your company, and Clerky generates the required forms. This is especially helpful for first-time founders who might be overwhelmed by legal jargon. Additionally, Clerky keeps everything compliant with current state laws, saving you from costly mistakes. Some things to consider. Clerky isn't a full law firm. Complex legal situations, contracts with investors, or specialized agreements may still require a licensed attorney. Also, the service is subscription-based, so factor in costs for long-term use if you plan multiple rounds of filings. In conclusion, Clerky is a reliable and beginner-friendly solution for startups that want to manage incorporation and legal paperwork efficiently. It's ideal for founders who want to focus on growing their business while staying compliant and avoiding common legal pitfalls. Subscribe for more honest startup and legal service reviews to help you make smarter business decisions.